Okay, I'm going to try to show you real quick how I made this part in one setup with the tab life over here. So it's mostly done being machined right now, but wanted to show you how I was able to maintain rigidity. This thing is still on there, and if we look, I left two sides here. So I have this vertical and this flat. This flat will get totally removed. You can see with the part here, that'll be coming out of there, all of this. But I left that in there to provide support for everything else in here. And you can see I put just a partial depth of cut here so I can chamfer that. And everything will be chamfered before it gets cut off in there. So it'll have a couple more steps left here, but I wanted to show you that nice 90-degree angle there. That makes it just super rigid. If this is gone and it's only this piece here, then it's pretty wiggly in there. But with two sides, that angle really provides a lot of strength. Again, there I cut part way through just so I could chamfer it. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, so chamfer there already, and then I'll come back and cut it from here this way so it's always fully supported when it's being cut, and then just do that in one shot all the way through and done. And then full strength still there. And now we have this cut out, so now we're down to just the standard thickness here. That the extra leg is gone for support, and now it's just tab it off. There we have it, tab life, nice and thin, right to the V point on the deburring there. Predictable edge. That part is done in one. And the moment you've been waiting for, oh yeah, all we do is give it a little beep, just like that. One little tiny burr there will file flat. She is done in one. Tab life, baby. Live action.